Hey friends, welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. Did you know you can look up your inventory for a specific time frame? Go to search and select inventory. From here, you can filter out what property classes, time frame, and you as the listing agent or buyer agent or both using the selling/listing field. You may notice all of the listings in your inventory share the same format for the MLS numbers. They are all numbers. That is because inventory listings will only include those that were inputted directly into Paragon. If you are a buyer agent of an imported listing, you will not see those listings in the inventory module. Using your DRE number in the search module would be a better option. Under search, choose the property class, or you can select multi-class if you have more than just residential transactions. Select Customize fields. Choose Buyer Agent DRE number for the field and click the Add button in the middle. You will want to save the search for repeated usage. So click on Apply/Save As and give it a nickname such as My Buyer Agent Inventory Search and click Save. Now you know how to find all of your inventory in Paragon. Congratulations on all your sales. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.